is shining. The thunder's still going. So it's this dark cloud right here. It's dumping water. And soon it'll be going back that way, which is kind of the way that I'm going to be going. So it's probably I'm going to get double dipped, maybe triple dipped. I don't know. But it's pretty interesting. Yeah, buddy. Beautiful though. I love this type of weather. Might as well get my butt wet now. It's gonna get wet anyway. Let's see what we're doing here. Maybe I should warm up my car. Get a little vent, a little heat going, eh? I don't know about all that, but yeah. This little guy's all wet. Sometimes it's good to keep a towel in your bike if you got bags. I don't have bags, but I have enough room in my rear seat that I could keep a towel. I kept the towel, but I took it out because I used it for an oil rag. Now I'm kind of going, great. But it is what it is. Look at this rain. It's coming down again. It's not done yet. It ain't done yet, people. So we just kind of sit it out here. Enjoy it. I don't know about you, but I like this weather. I like this kind of weather. There's something about fresh air, opening up the lungs. I think it's kind of nice. And very, very pretty. But then again, that's just me, you know, getting a little wet, getting my visor wet, but again, it's what it is. And that's the deal about it is when I close my visor, it seems that I can hear it through the cam park better, but I got my cam park in a waterproof box, and there's a reason for that. I mean, it gets super hot during the summer when it's not, because I don't have an actual little situation to hold it on, but probably best because it keeps bugs from getting on the screen. But yep, here we are. Great, wonderful weather. And most of this water will settle down. A lot of vehicles will take a bunch of that oil and drag it on their tires. But for the most part, you're good with putting your inputs in, you should be alright. Keeping the inputs in. So we're getting there. It's just gonna pass here shortly. Listen to some music. Some of these videos I really like. This is the Isle of Man. Amazing racers. Now, I'm not a big fan of rap, but I just like to see these videos, watching these guys zip. Being all tucked into that bike. I believe that's like a Suomi hat. I got AGV and Freedcon. I had Ruroc. It did its job and I had to throw it away. I often wonder what the air pressures are on their wheels too. They probably use the same as track on the street, going at that speed. Very cool. So whoever said the streets on the track, tell that to Isla Man TT. They turned the public streets into a track. Freaking awesome one too, honestly. Amazing track. So cool, man. To me, that's just amazing. And here comes the sun with the rain. Still raining. Passing us by. More dark clouds over that way. Collective Soul. Seagulls gobbling up worms. Looking for wormies. Or scraps. Whatever they can find. Just a light sprinkle now. Maybe that tail's gonna drop a little bit, I don't know. We did our part. Waiting. Patience is a virtue. Right, seagulls? Patience is a virtue. I think we're good. Let's go. And we waited. Coming down, boys. Coming down. Yeah.